Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on ISO standards and certification processes. Today we are talking about why ISO 17021 is important for certification bodies. If you are involved in auditing or certification, this standard is crucial for ensuring credibility, consistency and professionalism in the certification process. Let's dive in. What is ISO 17021? Before we discuss its importance, let's quickly go over what ISO 17021-2015 is. ISO 17021 is an international standard that sets requirements for bodies that provide audit and certification of management systems. This includes standards like ISO 9001 Quality Management Systems, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, and many more. The purpose of this standard is to ensure that certification bodies operate with impartiality, competence, and consistency when assessing organizations. Ensures impartiality and trust. One of the biggest reasons why ISO 17021 is important is that it ensures impartiality in certification. Certification bodies must avoid conflicts of interest. A committee for safeguarding impartiality is required. Decision-making must be independent and unbiased. This builds trust in the certification process, ensuring that organizations receive fair and credible assessments. Standardizes audit processes. ISO 17021 provides a structured approach to auditing and certification. It defines clear guidelines for audit planning, ensuring audits are well organized. Stage 1 and Stage 2 audits. A thorough two-step evaluation process. Surveillance and recertification audits. Ongoing monitoring of compliance. Without these standardized processes, certification bodies could have inconsistent and unreliable assessments. Ensures competence of auditors. ISO 17021 sets strict requirements for auditor competence. Auditors must have proper training, knowledge and skills. Certification bodies must conduct ongoing evaluations of their auditors. Auditors must understand the specific management systems they audit. This ensures that audits are conducted by qualified professionals, increasing the reliability of certifications. Enhances credibility and international recognition. Organizations worldwide rely on ISO certifications for compliance, legal requirements, and business reputation. A certification body that follows ISO 17021 gains credibility and trust in the market, meets international accreditation requirements, ensures its certifications are recognized globally. Without ISO 17021, a certification body's credibility could be questioned, affecting its reputation and business. Improves client confidence. For businesses seeking certification, working with a certification body that follows ISO 17021 means fair and impartial audits, consistent and accurate assessments, reliable certification decisions. This increases client confidence in the certification process, ensuring that their certification holds value in the industry. ISO 17021 is crucial for certification bodies because it ensures impartiality, standardization, auditor competence, credibility, and client confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe for more content on ISO standards and certification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.